have something kind of exciting that I'm looking forward to. Since the summer when I ordered it, it was on back order / they had to make it because the bike I bought is not like a it's not a bike that everyone buys. It only was made from 2005 to 2010. It's not super popular, and probably even less popular in the customization world. But here we go. I got some parts for my bike, and I've kind of been keeping it a secret because I've been. Anyway, so the first thing that's kind of weird is that this box, they just like kind of packed it in just a, not like their own company box, it's just a box, which, I don't know, maybe it was rewrapped, who knows. But before we get started, just want to scan over here to my helmet. I don't know if you can tell anything about it, but maybe that'll make sense to you in just a second. So, let me put you on this thing, actually. Yes. Hopefully nothing's broken, otherwise I'll be very upset. But, and there are still 2 more parts coming. So this is only half of it, but since I got these and the other parts are a little ways off still, I thought I'd just do this. Again, this is for my 2006 Yamaha YZF-600, and I completely just made that off the top of my head. That sounds like it is for my 2006 Yamaha Mt01. This piece here, before I even unwrap everything. There we go. There's a little bit of a, I don't know what I want to call that there. Otherwise, it's just pretty much perfect looking. So I'll do a fitness video here, a video for its fitness later on. This is supposed to be matte carbon finish. So it's kind of supposed to match my bike helmet a little bit. And it does pretty good. This is a little bit shinier than my helmet is, but I think it'll work out. So anyway, my current bike, you've probably seen it in other videos, and if you haven't, go check those out. But right now it's like a brushed aluminum look. So anyway, here, let me unwrap the rest. Nothing is broken. They wrapped these ends, which are probably the part that would break off the easiest. They wrapped them with these just to protect them, which is really nice. So there we go. These are kind of the end covers. Actually, I like the look of this better. This almost looks like it's shiny. I'm gonna have to look into that again because it actually looks like it's got like a shiny edge to it, and they just tried to make it look flat. This one actually looks proper. So the other stuff I ordered is technically from another company, so we'll see if it's any better. This piece looks really nice. These look pretty good, but they're like not perfect, and it looks like they're a little bit of shine, like it's supposed to be the gloss. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. And one thing I didn't know when I ordered is it does have these spots. This is where the Yamaha logo goes, and I kind of just wanted to get rid of that just to have completely debadged, but whatever, it's not the end of the world. So there we have it, and the reason I brought up my helmet is because I wanted, I did the thing that I normally never do, and I kind of matched everything. I bought this helmet last year before I bought my bike. Instead of getting the gloss like I normally would have, I went with the matte carbon finish. It's a little bit more subtle. From far away you can't really even tell. You kind of can, but not as well. For the parts that I'm replacing anyway, they're not that heavy. These probably are a little bit lighter than the OEM pieces. This might be, but I mean, the amount of weight that I'm losing with these parts is gonna be negligible. Mostly I wanted, the only thing I didn't like about my bike was the rear exhaust was the biggest thing. And I've explained that in another video, all the things I do and do not like. One of the other things, I'm not really into silver. I really like black. And actually this looks really good. I really like the looks of this. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll probably make a video of me putting this on. Maybe I'll even include that in this video, in which case you will not even be watching this, but maybe I'll include that in anyway, just because it'll be weird. So thank you guys for watching.